Sherco 250 Shay 2024. New graphic kit 2024. New LED headlight. New front fender. New clutch cover. New swing arm. New frame paint. New wheels. New rear sprocket. Blue diamond SELLE DALLA VALLE seat. KYB front suspension with closed cartridges. KYB rear shock absorber. Galfer front brake disc. Brembo brake system. Engine. 2-stroke single cylinder with electronically controlled valve system. Displacement 249 4cc. Carburetor Keihin PWK 36 carburetor. Cooling liquid with forced circulation. Start electric starter. Clutch Brembo hydraulic control multi-disc in oil bath. Tank 10.4 liters capacity. Front suspension KYB 48mm closed cartridge technology, hydraulic setting plus specific spring rate. Rear suspension KYB 330mm rear wheel travel, hydraulic plus specific spring rate. Front wheel SELLE 21-inch black anodized rim and Michelin Enduro Medium tire. Rear wheel SELLE 18-inch black anodized rim and Michelin Enduro Medium tire. Exhaust chrome steel exhaust header pipe aluminum silencer.